Here's how to make the different kinds of knots for friendship bracelets. I'm using pattern 155516 to show you these. We'll start with the forward knot, which is indicated with an arrow pointing towards the right. In a forward knot, you'll take one string and you'll tie it on top of the other string in the right direction. So you're taking the left string, you tie it on top of the right string, and then the string will then point towards the right direction. In a backwards knot, which is indicated with an arrow pointing to the left, you're doing the same thing but in the opposite direction. So you take the right string, you tie it on top of the left one, and the string will then come out from the left direction. So you have to make 2 of these knots to complete a full knot. You can also do a forward-backward knot, which is indicated by kind of a zigzagged arrow that points to the left. And you started off with a forward knot, and then the second half is a backwards one, where the string points towards the left. And then finally, you can also do a backward-forward knot, which is indicated by a zigzagged arrow that is pointing towards the right. And like the name indicates, you're going to start with a backward knot, and then you're going to do a forward knot, which points towards the right at the end. And once you have all 4 of these knots mastered, you can basically do any pattern.